Welcome to Altair Engineering Training and Support. I am Apur Bapat. Today in this I am going to discuss about Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5 training series. So let's start with training series schedule. I have already covered session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, in which I have discussed how to apply for the license of Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5, how to download and install Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5, how to activate the license of Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5, and the basic modeling and optimization operations of Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5. I have already discussed about the first tutorial that is getting started. Now in today's session I am going to discuss about the second tutorial, which is moving and snapping. Then in the later session I am going to discuss about sketching and optimizing a bridge, exploring multiple load cases, preparing CAD geometry, defeaturing a model, minimizing mass, saving and exporting files. So in today's session, that is tutorial second, moving and snapping, we are going to see opening and importing models, moving parts, snapping to points, copying and pasting, translating and rotating, and organizing a model. So we'll see a model and how you can do these different options or these different processes in that. So this is the GUI of Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5. To open it, go to Start, All Programs, HyperWorks Student Edition, Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5, and click on Inspire. So with this, you can open the GUI of Solid Thinking Inspire 9.5. To open a model, click on Open folder. We will select bracket dot tx underscore t file and click Open. So this is my bracket model, as you can see. Before going further, we will just quickly check about the view, edit preferences. In that we will see compatibility and check whether the HyperOS compatibility is off or not. So it has to be off. If it's on, turn it as off by just clicking it on off. So it's easy to copy paste with this option I'll show. Say apply and OK. And also we will import some more files, so like paste, bolt and pin. So these three files we will just copy and paste. So you can see these are the files I have imported. You can see here. So now I will organize this model and make it as a bracket. So this model with the snapping tool, you can move it to end and scroll it down, and here also the end. So you can see like this, it has been fixed. Similarly, this from center to this center. So this is done. Now select bolt with control left mouse button, press control left mouse button, drag it, release the left mouse button and then release the control. So it's get copied. Again I will show you, press control left mouse button, drag, make it to positive. The arrow with a positive sign should come, not with the negative sign. Drag it to somewhere else. First leave the mouse button and then the control button. If you first release the control button and then mouse button, it will only move, it will not have the copy. So the control button has to you have to keep pressing the control button and then first release the mouse. Then I will select them again, these delete, this also delete. So now I will select it and the center of this with the center of this. So this is assigned. Similarly, center to this with the center to this. So I have assigned these, you can see. Now, as I already mentioned in my earlier video, the selection procedure, if you move it from right to left, all the parts coming in the contact will get selected, but if you move it from right to left, those part comes under completely in the selecting box will come and select. So I will select these only, then Control C to copy, Control V to paste, so they get duplicated. Then we will click on the translate button here, so it will open the translate and rotate command, and we will translate this to the x-axis, oh sorry, y-axis. Then press shift and move this translating window to the corner of the model, and then I will again select this and move the complete to this end. Now I will select this Y rotation and make it to 180 degree. Then right click to deselect, and so this will get assigned. So in this way you can assign this component. So this is the one way, so you can assign it some other way around. So in this way this is assigned. Now my next point is to assemble the model completely. So if you are not able to see the model browser, press F2 from your keyboard. So you can be able to see, or go to view model browser. So if it's tick, that means you can see. If it's not tick, you cannot see. So I will select the base, press H to hide the pin, press H to hide, create two more assemblies, left bracket. So I will select these and move it to left bracket. One more assembly, right bracket, and select these and move it to the right bracket. So I'll turn on this and this. I can delete this bolt. So now I have a base, pin, left bracket, right bracket, 4 components. So I can hide this, turn on, turn off this with bolts, turn on, turn off this. So I can assemble, do the assembly like this with once. So these are the options which we can use to create a model in STInspire with some basic tools available, and also assemble the model in STInspire. So in this way I have ended with this tutorial. To know more about STInspire, go through all the videos in the which comes under the training series. Thank you very much for attending this session. Also, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.